So guys, this is what we want to celebrate with you. Wode Maya, we love you so much. We thank you so much. If you know you love Wode Maya and you are a fan of Wode Maya, please just type something nice under the comment section for him, and also subscribe to his channel and help us share this beautiful video as we shared with you. Alright guys, so we are still in Tema Community 7. You know, I don't know why I'm falling in love with this place. The place is very spacious. Even when you look at the stores and things, they are not even close to the road.
Yeah.
You get it? And the trees around, the way the place is, it's so nice. The environment is cool. Charlie, big ups to people in Tema. Big ups to people in Tema. And if you know you're in Tema,
once a photographer,
Charlie,
always a photographer.
Please, we are not villagers, so I know we are from Accra. And this is not my first time in Tema. Do you get it? This is not my first time in Tema. So that doesn't mean like I've not seen Tema before, but like Tema look nice. I think what I'm seeing here, if most of the places in Accra look like this, Charlie, we'll be grateful. Did you get it?
Yeah.
So guys, once again, welcome. And today we want to discuss something interesting with you. It's a good news that we need to share. We need to commend our brother, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then also, like, how do you say this?
Yeah, we like to. One thing we hardly do as ourselves is to celebrate each other.
Our own. When we
exactly.
want, you know.
Exactly.
That reminds me of the story.
That's Samoan and then the Cristiano
and
thing.
Cristiano Ronaldo just scored a goal which made him the second highest player who have scored in continuous international match or whatever. I've forgotten. Yes, but not knowing we were having our own Ghanaian Asamoah who has already set that record long time ago.
But he's not been recognized for it. Why? Because he's African, and our very own people don't even know. They didn't even know until Cristiano Ronaldo's own came out.
And then they started comparing. Should there be one to be compared? Yeah. So if Christian hadn't done it, then Samoan wouldn't have been recognized. Yeah, so today in this video, the mistake is they hailed his mistakes or the shots, the goals that he missed. The Ghanaians hail it so much, forgetting the wins that he won. So people will always remember you for your faults rather than the good you were. Yeah. So today on this video, we're talking about my one and only brother, Wode Maya. I just love him. I just love him. Yeah. What's your take on Wode Maya? What do you think about him?
I love his passion. I love his zeal and the drive with which he does what he does. I like the fact that he goes all out to do what he does, roaming all around Africa.
Charlie, it's not easy.
People keep asking me that where do I want to travel to, and I tell them that I want to go to Kenya. It should be the first place I want to go if I should come out of Ghana. And they keep asking, why don't I choose US? Why don't I choose out like the Western countries? I don't know why, but I just feel like Africa is where I connect to. Yeah. It's where I belong, and it's where I want to see. So if Wode Maya is doing something in that light, Charlie, it's really admirable and exciting, and he's showing us that it's possible.
He's doing so amazing. You know, we normally travel within Ghana to do our documentary and work, and it's not easy traveling here in Ghana. So how much more Wode Maya traveling in the whole of Africa, trying to go every country, places he doesn't know, he doesn't think of his safety and all that. You know, they have like a whole lot of things.
Exactly. And the challenges he faces.
A whole lot of things. And he normally don't talk about the challenges because if he starts to talk about it, Charlie, it will be a whole So today in this video, we just want to celebrate him. We just want to share with you guys that Wode Maya has been selected as the ambassador for Ethiopia Airlines.
Yeah. And you know the exciting part of this is when he made the post about Ethiopian Airlines taking him on as an ambassador. I saw the post and I am like, oh, wow. That's a good. I didn't think that in less than 24 hours.
No, not long ago.
In a very short time. The next thing we saw was that boom.
It has happened.
That's the power.
And he wrote that. Oh, he posted that someone should tag Ethiopian Airlines to make him ambassador, and now it is happening.
See the power. So declare whatever it is that you have in mind, you have in your heart. Declare it out there, and it will surely come to pass. So, whatever it is you have in mind, just declare.
So
and make sure you work your way through it. You don't just declare.
What am I always say? Thank you, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Well done so much for
God
what you are doing.
God bless you.
I told you I don't envy you. You know?
At all.
I don't envy you at all, because the things you have to go through before
doing what you do.
We are all seeing the beautiful part of it.
They have no idea.
Charlie, it took Maya 2 years to get 1,000 subscribers. But it helped me to get 1,000 subscribers within a week or two. You see the thing? So
God bless you, Maya.
He has been so good to me, and we really appreciate. If maybe you don't know what is happening, this is what has happened. And also, just recently, he did a video. On donating 10,000 USD
dollars
to the guy at Abetifi Stone Lodge to complete his project.
Wow. And even the YouTube CEO commended him on it. I was like, whoa, this is another level. To have your post shared by YouTube CEO, that's like he's just been recognized by the right people at the right places, because he has the right heart for what he does.
And most of the things he does, Charlie, I've never seen anybody. Guys, just look around.
The trees we're talking about.
You see, we're talking the places. So this is where we walk our pavements.
Even though they look broken, they're all cool.
Yeah. So actually, I don't. What was I saying? What was I saying?
We're talking about Maya's.
Yes. So
$10,000 donation.
I wanted to say that the things that Maya does on YouTube, and even behind closed doors, I have never seen any other YouTuber who does this. Which, I don't know, but I stand to be corrected. Which African YouTuber do you know has donated? I know maybe there might be someone, but...
Well, I haven't heard of any.
But I haven't heard of any. And the hearts at which it helps people and just see how it connects with all other YouTubers. It's so amazing.
Yeah.
It's so amazing.
And one thing to have noticed is that whether you do good, people will talk.
Yeah.
If you do bad, people will talk. So Maya, all the negativity that people are lashing about, some people are lashing about you out there, forget them. They don't matter. Forget them. Just focus on what you are doing and keep pushing your agenda, keep pushing what you are pushing, and just follow your path. Because as you said, if they don't talk negative about it, then you're doing nothing impactful.
Exactly.
So just keep doing you.
And what you said made me remember a song that we say that
if you do good, you do for yourself.
If you do bad, you do for yourself. But there's another one that I've forgotten about. But that one talks about whether you do something good or but that one is in Ghana. It was sung by Adani Best. Like if you do good, they will talk about you. If you do bad, they will also talk about you. So guys, you can just check out his channel. His name is Wode on YouTube, and subscribe. In case you are watching us for the first time and you've never heard of Wode, or you don't know who Wode is, Wode is a young YouTuber coming from Ghana who is traveling around the whole of Africa,
setting the pace,
narrating the story of Africa, and also showing the beautiful places that you can see in Africa. And it's with the mindset that we can have our vacation here in Africa because we have a beautiful place, a lot of beautiful places here in Ghana and in Africa. So we don't need to travel outside. So guys, this is what we want to celebrate with you. Wode, we love you so much. We thank you so much. If you know you love Wode and you're a fan of Wode, please just type something nice under the comment section for him, and also subscribe to his channel and help us share this beautiful video as we shared with you. We celebrated him, and very soon he's going to be 1 million subscribers.
I so can't wait. And I see that happening very soon.
Very soon.
Soon and very soon.
I don't know, but maybe we might plan a surprise for him when he gets 1 million. I pray that he is in Ghana. Don't worry. Hey, we know how to do it.
He says he doesn't like surprises.
But we'll see what we'll do for
him.
Okay, so guys, thank you. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
My name is Niai, aka Ghanaian, and this is my lovely
Coffee Praise.
Your
one and only.
Your one and only, yeah. You know. That's it. My only Igbe toffee. Igbe biscuits.
My Gan toffee.
Yeah. So I'll see you on my next episode. Hola, bow. Hey, bye guys. Before you stop watching the video, just look. You see the place.
Trees.
You see what I'm talking? It's everywhere. See, everywhere. So see you guys.
Hey, 'cause we go make up. When days ahead.